Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into it here. Cardano taps into Bitcoin's liquidity. What does that mean? What's going on? Let's dive right into it. You guys know how bullish we are on Cardano. You guys know our bags have been packed for a while now. We packed our bags all year. And I believe that this is setting the stage for what is to come. And guys, I know there's not a lot of hype around Cardano right now, but think about it. That's typically what performs the best. The ones that don't have the most hype. I can't think about the last two bull runs I've been a part of, right? None of the projects that really performed well had the most hype. Usually the ones that had the most hype ended up performing the worst. So, or not meeting expectations. Cardano's in that sweet spot where people are saying Cardano's dead. And that's exactly when I want to pay attention. Okay, because typically the ones that are everyone's screaming, oh, this is going to do great, this is going to perform. I want to go where the masses are not, because typically when the masses end up coming to it, it's too late and I can take profit and, you know, exit. So let's take a look here. What's going on? Cardano taps into Bitcoin's liquidity, opening new doors for DeFi and growth potential. Let's see what's going on here. So Cardano's tapping into Bitcoin's $1 trillion liquidity through a BOS Bridge integration, opening the doors for expanded DeFi capabilities and massive growth potential for ADA holders. So big news. We see that the Cardano's bridging into Bitcoin's $1 trillion market cap. What does that mean? What's going on? So Bitcoin BOS is a blockchain operating system that enables upgrades and scalability for Bitcoin without requiring any core code changes or software forks. So this was announced in July. BOS allows developers to build on Bitcoin, tapping into vast liquidity pool. Cardano is the second major blockchain after Bitcoin itself to adopt BOS's infrastructure, gaining a first mover advantage into leveraging Bitcoin's liquidity for its DeFi ecosystem. So with this bridge, Bitcoin's liquidity can fuel various DeFi activities on Cardano, including lending, decentralized exchanges, and more. They're saying here that the integration effectively makes Cardano the gateway for Bitcoin holders to access decentralized finance. Huge guys. This is huge. So I don't think this is a tough question to answer. Why Bitcoin needs Cardano and DeFi bridges. I'm gonna give it to you in layman's terms, and then we're gonna take it from the article. But because Bitcoin does not have that capability of scale. It's literally being used and considered digital gold, right? Cardano's eliminating that. So this is saying Bitcoin's network makes up nearly 60% of the entire crypto market value, but accounts for only a small fraction of its actual on-chain activity. Why is that? Because people treat it as digital gold. You're not really going out and buying things with Bitcoin now. It's just not happening. So this is because Bitcoin, while highly secure, isn't built for complex transactions like smart contracts. Cardano, on the other hand, excels in programmability, scalability, which makes it ideal to be a candidate to expand Bitcoin's potential in DeFi. Big. Guys, you haven't heard a lot of bullish news about Cardano. You have not. And to be honest with you, this hasn't been that widely spread either, but it's a big deal. And the fact that people are saying Cardano's dead, that draws me to be very optimistic, to be very bullish, because that's exactly what was said last time. The exact words were said about Cardano when it was at 3 cents. Cardano's dead. I told you, it's just like Dan Larimer, just another project with all hype, and then it shoots up to $3. What do you think is going to happen here? Take a look here at Emurgo's role in the Cardano BOS integration. So Emurgo, if you guys don't know, is the development arm of Cardano, sees this integration as a crucial step towards creating interconnected blockchain ecosystem. Ken Kadama, which is Emurgo's CEO and a Cardano co-founder, believes that this bridge will drive DeFi adoption, allowing projects and developers to use Bitcoin liquidity while leveraging Cardano's secure, trustless infrastructure. Huge. That is so huge, guys. Very, very telling. It's very telling as we look at, you know, what Cardano it can do for not only the crypto community, right, but for mass adoption, making people be able to, use crypto frictionless, borderless, trustless, a truly decentralized blockchain. So they're saying here, from a TA standpoint, Cardano appears to be poised for growth. They're saying bullish divergence on the RSI, and we can pull up the charts another day, but we see here Cardano's DeFi tokens are, two to watch. They're saying meld and mini swap. Okay. And to be honest with you, looking at the article and diving in and seeing what exactly is going on, I truly believe Cardano will be a top performer again. Everything that we've seen previously is happening right now. I just told you about how everyone said it was dead before, and it performed. I would say it was the most conservative point of a high when we talk about where Cardano is going to go, right? It was very conservative. $3 was conservative. And I think you can be conservative again, looking at Cardano, looking at everything they've built despite market conditions. You see, that's a common theme here. We always talk about, what are you doing? What are you building despite the market conditions? Cardano's been building. Cardano has been letting the community vote. Okay, it's not just one or two people. The community actually has a vote. And that's what separates Cardano's blockchain in comparison to others, where essentially the voting is made up of one or two people, right? Or maybe 5 to 10. Okay, if that, right? Cardano actually gives you a seat at the table and provides you true decentralization. So love what Cardano's doing. Love this. And to be honest with you, I think this is history in the making, guys. History in the making, because here you can see in this article on X, you can see here that you can ignore the tribalism. That's one, key takeaway, which is making it really a bullish moment. You can really remove tribalism. So Bitcoin and Cardano have a lot in common. Both use UTXO model, which enhances compatibility between both blockchains. Their communities prioritize long-term thinking and believe in using layered architecture when upgrading their networks. Bitcoin and Cardano are complementary. Bitcoin is $1.3 trillion network with tens of millions of users. Cardano is a smart contract platform for DeFi and privacy, but with a limited asset base. They need each other. Okay. So right now, by plugging into Bitcoin, Cardano gets a liquidity boost, and Bitcoin unlocks the functionality it's always searched for, guys. So it's a match made in heaven. We know there's demand for this. Over 9 billion in Bitcoin circulate on Ethereum as WBTC today from Bitcoin holders looking to do more than hodl. Right now, like I told you, it's being treated as digital gold. But here, Cardano does even better than that, thanks to BOS. BOS Bridge gives Bitcoiners the first trustless solution, moving Bitcoin into Cardano and other smart contract environments. This is big. This is big. So a lot bigger than is being made out to be, guys, because a lot of people have pretty much, turned away from Cardano because it's not the sexiest. It's not the coolest project that's always in the news, right? Or talking about price pumps, but it's about the long game. And that's why I think this is a great match made in heaven, because Bitcoin and Cardano holders are typically in it for the long game, guys. So love what I'm seeing here, guys. Wanted to highlight that and give you an update on these two projects and what's going on and why this is very bullish for Cardano. So wanted to highlight that and hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.